Tornado prank on my German wife gone wrong.
I'm finna prank my old German wife with the tornado siren just to see how she act. Cause you supposed to be alert, you know what I'm saying? We stay out west. You feel me? You don't hear that?
What, that noise?
Yeah, that noise. You don't hear that?
Yes, I hear it.
We gotta go.
Go where?
That's the tornado siren. We gotta go. Quit staying right here.
I don't think the tornadoes sound like that.
A tornado sound like that. We gotta leave. We gotta evacuate.
See, it stopped. I don't care.